मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलीना हिकमतक व अंशुर लना रहमतक या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी असअलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बदनी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी समी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बसरी ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम एवरीवन। Okay, now today we are going to learn about binary number and hexadecimal. We are discussing this in previous tutorial. We have seen that how to convert. We have learned that how to convert binary number into denary and vice versa, and denary into binary numbers using a successive division. And what else? Okay, now this topic is the part of paper 1. And now we are going to study about, we are going to create a link between binary, denary and the hexadecimal, because next our objective is to convert binary number into hexadecimal. So before going to over there, before going to start that activity, we need to know about what are base 10 and what are the link between binary number, denary number and the hexadecimal. So let's take a start. Okay, first of all, let me show you that what is binary number. Binary number is base 2 number and denary number is base 10 number, and hexadecimal means it's a base 16 number. So let me show you over here. First of all, let me write here binary. Okay, binary number is what? Bi mean 2. So we will write over here 2. Okay, then 2 power 1 means you need to multiply this base to how many times? 1 time. So 2 multiply 1, it will give you 2. This one power will come over here. So what is 2? 2 means that we will use in binary number, we will use only 2 numbers, zeros or 1. This 2 means that we will use either 0 or 1. These two numbers. And this is your off state and this is your on state. We can say it's a high value and this is called low. Okay, then what else? Then denary number. Our denary number is base 10 number. We will use what? How many values? 10 power 1. 10 power means 1 we will multiply 10 how many times? This time, and we will get 10 here. It means that we will use 10 values to represent denary numbers, and it will start from 0 till 9. We will get 0 till 9, we have 10 numbers. Okay, let's take a break. Prayer time. Okay, here we are. We have discussed about binary numbers. Binary numbers base 2 number, 2 power 1. Okay, 2 power 1 means we multiply 2 how many times? 1 time, and we will get 2. And 2 means that we are going to use in binary numbers, we will use 2 values, 0 or 1. And here in denary number is a base 10 number. What is denary number? Any number is called denary number. For example, any number means this number, base 10. This 10 is called denary number. So 2 is called denary number. 5, 12, 9, 7, 8. These numbers are called 100. Okay, these all are called denary numbers. And these numbers are called base 10. Okay, now let's take start. Next thing is our hexadecimal. Hex means 16. Hexadecimal means it's base 16. But how we will write this? We will write like that. 2 power 4 will give you 16. 2 power 4 will give you 16. Okay, 2 power 4 is 16. It means that we are going to use how many? We will use 4 bits. What is bit? This is a bit. This is called bit. 0 is a bit. 1 is a bit. And look here, we are going to use 4 bits. Look here. This represent power means we are is a bit. We can use either 1 or 0. So here we have 4 1. 4 means that in hexadecimal number we need 4 binary bits. 4 binary bits to present a 1 hexadecimal digits. How? It look like that. For example, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. It's a binary number in hexadecimal. Okay, in denary number it represents 10. In denary number, this is the denary value of 1010. Okay, now we are going to create a link between binary, denary and hexadecimal. It's very easy. When you are able to create this link, you can solve any question related to binary to denary conversion, denary to binary conversion. So let's do it. Okay, now here I am going to write first of all the denary numbers, then I will write hexa number, and then I will write their equivalent binary numbers. So here I am going to write first of all denary numbers. Okay, till here we have denary number 0 till 9 we have this denary number. So what about our hexadecimal number? Okay, now here I will write my hexa. Okay, here hexadecimal number. Okay, it will also start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 we have the same number in hexadecimal number, but hex means its base 16. So we have to go till 15 values, including this 0, we will make it a 16. So after 9 you can write like that. What should I write now? Okay, I am going to write it over here, hexa values. After 9, 10 will appear over here. 10, okay. But in 10, okay, 10, 11, 12, 19, 13, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, till 15, okay. So 10 represent in hexadecimal, it will with this letter A. So whenever I will write here 10 in denary, 10 represent in hexa value is A. Then you can write B, C, D, E till F. Okay, then this is 10 denary number, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 0 till 15 we have 16 values. Okay, now I want to generate its binary numbers. So here I am going to generate its binary numbers. This is the most important point. So how I will generate the binary values? Starting from 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I want to generate binary values. So in hexa we are going to use 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So I am going to use 4 bits for all. So here I will write, first of all I will write 4 zeros, but before going to write 4 zeros, let me draw these columns here. 4 columns. Okay, now I am going to write their hexa values. First I will take start from the right side, starting from 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and so on till here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, then increase. Now double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1 till here it will come like that. For example, double 0, then double 1 come over here and so on like that. You need to create that on your notebook. Okay, after that what we have here now 4 0, 4 1s, then again 4 zeros, 4 1 till here. Okay, now 8 zeros, 8 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 15 we will write 8 values. So here we are. So now if you want to convert, for example, you want to check the what's the how to convert denary number into binary. It's very easy. So for example, this is the denary number 7. Now I want to check its binary value. So its binary value is 777. 7 is where binary value is 0111. Okay, what is the binary value of this denary number? 1001. So what is the binary value of 8? 1000. What is the binary value of 7? 111. Okay, what is the binary value of this 4? Okay, 100. Like that. That's how you can complete this table like that. I have this congested space, otherwise I need to do like that. ठीक है, मैं इसे complete कर लेता till here. That's why I have mentioned over here. Okay जी, now Hopefully you got this. In the next step, I'm going to teach you how to convert binary number into hexadecimal or hexadecimal number into binary number.